Kasi wala ka tayo sa EC. Hindi mo pwede. Kasi ito yung pwede sa baby. Lahat sila dumating sa akin. Hindi po pwede. Yun yung mga pwede.
Pa rin, the same pa rin.
Pitabal? Iiyak sa camera. Gusto mo camera ko? Sige na. Sige lang. Kasha pa? Bawang na lang. Kasi. Iko. Ay, iko. Apa mo na doon na? Ito yung nagdikit na kayo? Na po, entrance po. Yung sa taas, babasok po.
To give our last respect and honor the life of Mr. Gonzalo Sofia. But before we proceed to the ceremony, let's begin with a word of prayer. May each everyone to stand and bow down your head as we pray. I call on Mom Melanie Sofia to give her last message.
That description I can only think of you. I saw you as a super physical father with high pride, you expect no less than a baby, with high standards. No one can see your approval without photos. I was scared of you when I was young, but with toughness I was still strong. I know I can get through all hardships, and I and you are my wings. And now that you are gone, you and Nana ensure that we have additional wings so we can fly on our own without fear. Our lives will have ups and downs, but since we grew up differently, the foundation you and Nana set are set to store. So to you, Tatay, congratulations! Graduate ka na. Huwag ka mag-alala. Kami na bahala ka na ngayon. Alam mo yan, kami bahala sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Kay Camille, kay Emil, kay Miles, kay Charles, kay Craig, kay Cedric, kay Carlos, kay Kurt. Buti pa ako sa pangpamangkin kayo. Bahala ka.
Nawawala yung mic.
Tunguhan mo. At kung pwede sana wala nang takutan sa bahay. Kasi gusto namin matulog. Na medyo matagal ng konti. Pero, I appreciate the 18 years na mo. Hindi ka nagkasakit, sumagpas mo tayo namin, lumaban ka. And this time, I think we're good. So, also, I appreciate also sa mga tao nandito, unexpectedly, Rojas family, Alvarez, Tito Roming, hindi sa mukha ka na nandito. Pero, for sure, nagdadasal ka ng mga kapatid mo lagi na si Tita Elena na nasa taas. Kasama mo na siya, si Tito Noel, si Tito Agot. Siyempre, pinakamamahal ko nanay, si Sofia, at saka ang tatay mo si Pilibon. So, sa mga tao dito, sa mga nagbigay ng oras sa tatay ko for the past few days, I appreciate it on behalf of the family.
It's like to say na Lolo Daldo is one of the best leader na nakilala ko when I was young. Still remember, pag kumain ka sa pagkainan at may naiiwan kang butil ng kanin na tirang pagkain, oops, patay ka. Why? Because ayaw ni Lolo ni Chansi ng pagkain kasi sa mga taong nakakaalam kung gaano kahirap magtrabaho at paano kumita. At ang bawat butil ng bigas na kinakain ng tao, napakahalaga. Ganun siyang tao magpahalaga. Maaaring na misinterpretation na mahigpit, stricto. Pero sa puso niya, gusto niya matutunan natin na yung value, hindi lang ng pera, kundi yung bawat bagay na meron tayo kasi ganun siya magpahalaga. Which is yun ang paborito niya pag nag-drive siya. Hindi ka, pag meron siya, hindi ka mapapa-abante. Bakit? Kasi ganun siya ganun siya kaingat. Sa tagal niya nagda-drive, ganun niya kinahalagahan yung taong pinagpabiyahe niya. So ganun din siya sa pamilya. Do alam ko na talagang pag sinabing, Lolo Daldo, takbo na. Pero hindi, para sa akin, the best talaga siyang leader. At hindi ko makakalimutan din yung, kasi isa ako sa mga talagang pasaway, pero pag-aaral, lagi ko sabi, mag-aral ka, Day. Wala akong nakitang tatay na katulad niya. He is really one of the impossible father na pwede maging isang tatay na hindi nag-give up throughout and a season for every activity under the heavens. A time to be born and a time to die. A time to plant and a time to uproot. A time to kill and a time to heal. A time to tear down and a time to build. A time to whip and a time to laugh. A time to mourn. And last, and a time to dance.
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I think you? The words will have to go. There's no one home but you. You're all that's left to do. And when beside you all the way. If the world should stop with you, the stars and I would simply fly. Was a child before life removed all the innocence. My father would lift me high and spin me around till I
sleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. To dance with my father again. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, yeah. Then finally, 'cause I'd love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear her mama cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you to dance with my father again? Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever need. Through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. See you.
Reklamo siya. Teka lang, hindi ko na ibato yung spiol ko eh. Wala ka rin. Wala ka naisip na. Ayun. Wala talaga. Yung mga business. So yung mga nakapag-produce ng message yan, baka gusto nyo pa mag-picture kayo. After nito mag-lunch tayo sa KFC, sino may ornament po Christmas ornament. Nag-i-stay mo na. Marami po.